back here, and now we're gonna show you. We showed you how we did the perm for Michelle, as you see. Now we're gonna show you how we're gonna cut her hair, guys. That's so interesting, really. I really like it. As you see, guys, let me turn Michelle. Here, her hair is very long, but this side is very short. So we need to make it perfect all her hair. I love this length. We don't want to cut it too short, so we're gonna remove just a tiny bit from here because she liked height and it should be nice. But unfortunately, like cut last time, very short on the side. We need to keep the side for next time, and I'm trying to make them a little bit perfect because this side is very long. So from this side, we're gonna cut a little bit more than here. Yes, guys, I'm just telling you what's happening, what I can see here. And as you see here, her hair is very long. She likes to keep the length, so we're gonna keep the length here, but we're gonna remove the thickness here because it's too thick. They left it too long here, as you see, guys, and this is too short. So we're gonna cut this a little bit shorter, and this side, like I explained to you. So we're gonna start to cut her hair. Thank you for being with us. We are very happy.
Yes, we are.
To have Michelle also, she can send the video to her daughter.
Yeah.
Yes, so okay. Michelle, I want to sing it now. She can see a light if you want to sing it now. You want? No, next time. We'll send it later, guys, to her daughter, yeah? So we're going to do like this, guys. Okay, perfect. Now take this here. So you need to do the parting first, guys. As you see, you can see here very clear how short is this, guys. You can see the line. It's amazing. It's so different. We're going to try to make it perfect for her. I'm so happy to have her here today in our salon. So I'm going to turn a little bit this side, guys, so you can see better the hair. And Michelle can see it also. Yes, Michelle, can you see it? Yeah? Okay. Okay, guys, so like this. You see, do we have enough light in the camera? Okay, so guys, first you need to do the parting as normal. You see, don't forget to cut the hair because we need to cut piece perfectly for her. So I'm gonna go down. As you see, when I'm going down, you can see this is very short and this is in the middle long. You can see the way they did it last time. It is different than we did it actually. So here, look, when I do like that, you see this is long, but here there's no hair. She was very upset, unfortunately, but I'm glad she's here, so I'm happy to do it. Yes, so guys, so see, I'm coming the hair. You can see here is very long, but there is no hair here. It's a little bit different the way we do the technique. I'm gonna use first this machine guide to remove the first line under. You want to keep the length, so don't forget that. So you're gonna remove first line under the crown. So we remove the crown first, yeah. Okay, as we remove the crown, you see this line here is very long. You see, guys? So we're gonna cut that piece. So we're gonna do like that. Come the hair here, remove from here 2 centimeters because it's very long. But we will not remove everywhere 2 centimeters, but only here because they left it very long, like here, guys. They missed this part, so now I'm cutting that piece. And when I'm coming here, there is not that much hair. So I'm not removing here 2 centimeters. You see, guys, so here I'm removing just tiny bit. You can see very clear. In the side, it's very short. In the middle, they left it long. So from here, I'm removing, as you see, 2 centimeters. And then I'm going here, I'm removing less. And then when I'm here, there's almost nothing to remove. You see, it's like very clear to see. So now I'm checking my line. I'm going up. Perfect. I'm going up here. It's perfect. So I'm going more along. See, I'm removing that piece. They left it long. That's how it is. Okay, guys. I'm trying to keep it as long as much I can because she's a lady. You see, guys, so perfect. Now you have a nice line. Because she wanted to keep this long, the problem is, they left it in corner. It is like this. I need to remove a little bit from the step only to keep it long, yeah? So it's just here, guys. You need to remove this to make it more trendy and elegant hairstyle. See? Perfect. So that's really nice. So I don't want to make it short. She's a lady. Don't forget. So now I'm going to the second line. This is very important part, guys, because we have here a body perm. So it is a body perm. We want to keep it as long as we can. So we are closing these two lines together. I'm going higher, you see. Now I'm going here, you see. We want to keep it long because it's the body perm here. You must keep this here as much as you can. I know this is short, but we can't do nothing about it. I prefer to keep it long for our perm because we did a lovely nice perm for her. See here, perfect. Okay, now we go to the second line. Here, guys. We come back here, and you can see very clear the body perm. So now we come in the hair here. Removing only this part and going up. Prefer to keep the crown as much as you can. Yes, because it was already short. Now going to the second line. Removing this or not, just here. I still didn't touch this because they cut it very short, as you see. So now I'm going here, removing this part here, and I can remove from here because it's short. It's the same point here. Just here, you can't remove too much. It's just I'm trying to make it perfect for her for next time. So now here is the same, guys. I know you don't see me, but I'm doing the same what I did there. So I'm taking the hair, taking it, and cut what's too long here. So there's nothing to move from here. The side, yes? So this is the result in the back, guys. I just finished the back. You can see the whole and perfect, and the smooth line going down here, and that's perfect. Let me show you, my friends, inshallah, because you want to see it. Inshallah, please, could you do this? So let me turn the chair, yes? I'm going to turn the chair, inshallah, so you can see the back, yes? Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't remove nothing from here.
No,
so
no.
you see, and it's going perfectly
Yes.
in the line. You can see the movement.
Nice. Yes, very nice.
Thank you so much. If you turn this side, you can see the back from that side. Look, see? It's just the movement.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful looking hairstyle. Now go back. So we're gonna cut the side, guys. Let me put the camera here. Turn like this. Yes. So this was the part of very short, guys. So we're gonna keep it as long as we can because we don't want to shave the side and long back. No. So we're gonna keep that here, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean her ear. Yes. We're going to remove only this. Perfect. See? I don't want to remove nothing from you, but we need to check it. So I'm cleaning her line from the back line. So perfect. Yeah? Okay, guys. This is very short. This is very long. Here is perm. There's no perm here. So we're going to separate this line here only a little bit to close it together. As you see, this is short and this is a line. So this is the point over there. See that? Now, when it comes this here, you see, it's this now. We need only this. We don't want to remove that much. We're going to keep our perm for long term. So you see, here. Guys, we just finished to the side. You can't believe it, but you don't have a line anymore. I removed that line from it. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna go another side. So, inshallah, can you turn it here? Okay, I hope they can see it from here. Inshallah, can you from here? They can see it. And they see it. Guys, do you see it? Let me put this with me. Yes, you can see it, guys. Let me know if you don't see it. So I'm going here, guys, the same what I did there. You see here, this is longer than that side. First, we need to remove this line, 3 ears, and then we need to keep the side long. It's nicer for a lady. So there's 2 things. Or you shave it 0 or number 2, or you need to keep it long. You can't keep it in the ears, you know? Because it springs like now, you see, it springs her hair. So what we're gonna do, we'll go here, take this line. You see that, guys? Very short, long. We're gonna remove only this line. Now I'm going here, Gonna remove only this line, guys. You see? Only this line. So because we want to keep this side long. And here I'm removing just a point, making it like this side because that side was shorter, guys. See here. Just a little bit. So next time when it is grow, we don't cut nothing from the side because we want to keep it long for her, guys. See? Here, perfect. Okay, now we go to this part. It's the same, guys, like what I did from that side. Guys, it's the same. So now we're going to take this hair and remove that forward. So now, the same. You can see very clear this piece is very long. See that? Perfect. Okay, ready. As you see that here on this side is different. On that side, we are making it like the same little bit like another side, this way. You can see, guys, you don't have the line now here. That's what I mean. There's no line here. Okay, now we're gonna go here. It's most important because we want to keep it long, but we don't want to make it too long so it fall down. We need to have movement. So we're gonna remove the piece and then up. Okay, that's here. So her curl is perfectly. I wish you can feel her here. It is so nice and soft in here because we used for her a beautiful, nice, natural print. Look at it, so it's just shiny and very, very nice. Cutting hair with perm is very important to cut it perfectly, guys, so you can keep the perm long time because you don't want to do a perm and cut your hair really short. She wanted to have pleasure from the perm for long term, guys. Perfect. So, as you see, guys, I just removed a centimeter from here. Now we're gonna come all her hair to the front. You see? Perfect. See? We will keep it as long as we can because when she wears it like that, it will give her a lovely hold. It's just perfect. Let me just show you guys the haircut on the side. Can you see it? So, just perfect. Yes. So this piece, turn a little bit. It's just perfect.
Right.
Even if you play with your hands, you have the whole thing.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
the movement. And it is very firm. A body firm, guys.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
what I wanted.
Yeah.
Yes.
You like it? Okay, guys. It's a beautiful, lovely noise. They will tell you now. Michelle, are you happy?
I'm happy.
Yeah! See you in the blow dry, guys. Bye-bye.